Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Elaina. Thank you so much for being here. Happy Sunday. We are down to our last Crockpot meal of Crocktober. So I hope you all have been enjoying all of the Crockpot meals that I have been putting out. Definitely let me know if you have tried any of them. I know some of you have been reaching back out to me to let me know that what you have tried and that you've made little tweaks to the recipes and stuff, and I'm loving it. So continue to do that. But today we're going to be making some wings in the crock pot. Now this is another new one for me. Never done this before, but I figured we give it a shot. It is about to be wing season, football games are coming up and, different parties and events and stuff. So it's always nice to have some wings around. But today I'm going to be making actually two kinds of wings. I probably should have brought the other sauce out, but I'll show you guys in a little bit. This is the main recipe though. We're making some buffalo wings. So of course you're going to need your buffalo sauce of your choice. I just saw this when I was shopping, so I decided to pick it up and try it. You're going to need either an onion or some minced onion, some brown sugar, and of course your wings. Okay, now I'm showing y'all the wing bag because I've already washed my wings and seasoned them up. I just wanted to show y'all like these are the wings that I bought, and I have about a pack and a half of wings because again I've got carnivores here. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with this recipe. This is a really simple one, you guys. So let's get started. All right, so the first thing you want to do is make your sauce. Now you can do this any way you want to do this, but I'm just going by a recipe that I found on Pinterest, and so we like to try new things in this house, so we're going to go with their recipe. So like I said, you're going to use the wing sauce of your choice, and you've got your other ingredients, your onion and your brown sugar. Now personally, I think this might work better with the minced onion just because it's a sauce and onion bits might be falling off and stuff like that. So I feel like the minced onion is small enough that it might stick to the chicken a little bit better, but use what you want to use. Okay, so you're gonna add a cup of your wing sauce, a quarter cup of your brown sugar, and then as much onion as you like. So that's what I've already done. It's right here. We're gonna put this to the side because we're gonna use this in just a moment. The next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add our chicken to the crock pot. Now, you do not have to season your chicken if you don't want to, but here in this household, we season our chicken. So like I said, I have it off to the side already because I was thawing it out. Now you can also do this frozen, but I don't know how you would season it if it was frozen. I guess you just throw the seasonings on there or whatever, but my stuff is thawed out and already seasoned. So we're just gonna add our seasoned chicken to the crock pot. Don't forget your crock pot liner, okay? But if you don't have one, you might want to spray your crock pot pan with some Pam or something like that so that the chicken doesn't stick. So now we're just gonna add all the chicken wings in here. Okay. Just add them all in. Just like that. Okay, and now we're just gonna add about half of this sauce over the top of the chicken. You definitely want to reserve some. Okay, and I'll show you why in a few hours, but let's go ahead and pour this over the chicken. All right, so that's about half right there. All right, and so we're gonna add our lid on and we're gonna put this on low for 3 hours. If you are using frozen chicken, you want to put it on high for 3 hours and cook the chicken until it's done. Okay. Okay, you guys, so it has been about 3 hours, almost 3.5 for me. I have went out and ran some errands, just coming back, and so now we're gonna finish up these wings. What you want to do right now is line you some pans. However many pans you need. I need 2. So you're gonna line them with foil, and you're going to put the wings onto the pans, and you'll need to pop them in the broiler for about 5 minutes on each side. So we're going to go ahead and do that now. Let's see how the wings are looking. Yes, they look great. Now I'm sure you can probably eat them just like this, but to make them a little more crispy, you know, I like crispy wings. I don't know about y'all, but to get them a little crispy, you want to put them in the broiler. So that's what we're going to do right now. And I know I said that I was going to make some garlic parmesan, but that was before I actually realized I would be pouring sauce all over them. So yeah, we're going to nix the garlic and parmesan this time, and we'll just be making the buffalo wings this time. So I'm just putting them on my little baking sheet here, my little tray with the lined foil. Let me kind of turn this so y'all can see what I'm doing. Alright, so I'm just going to continue to put them on the sheet. I have quite a few wings here, and I'll be back when they're all on the tray. Alright, y'all, so they're all on the baking sheet or the baking pan. Now we're going to take our reserved sauce, which was in the refrigerator, and we're just going to baste all of our chicken. Going to baste it, and then once we're done basting, we're going to pop them in our oven. Alright, so now we're just going to pop them in the oven, and we're going to let them broil for about 5 minutes, and then we're going to take them out, flip them over, add some more sauce, put them in for another 5 minutes, and then they should be done. So I'm going to pop mine in. I'll show y'all the finished results. Okay, so our wings are done. I have plated them up, and this is what they are looking like. They look absolutely delicious, y'all. Okay. They're not as crispy as I would like them to be, but I guess I could put them back in the broiler to crisp them up a little bit more if I wanted to. But they're definitely edible at this point, and we're gonna dig in. I did go ahead and make a side salad to accompany this meal. Now, you know, you can make whatever you want. Rice, you can use the carrot and the celery sticks, you know, if you're doing a party or something like that. Or a side salad like me, you know, whatever you want as your side. But that's what we're doing tonight, a side salad and some wings. And yeah, you guys, let me go ahead and taste one and see what we're talking about here. You got me a nice little flat. That's good. The whoa, that's a little spicy. It's a little on the spicy side. I'm pretty sure it's this sauce that I bought. Like I said, this is the first time it's using that Buffalo Wild Wings sauce. Use any buffalo, you know, sauce that you like. But I feel like the brown sugar didn't really do anything because this sauce is kind of spicy. It has a kick to it. But the wings themselves are good. Like, look at that. It's nice and juicy. Okay. Definitely good, y'all. Definitely good. So y'all, go ahead and try this recipe, or just try your wings in the crock pot, period. You know, you can use any kind of a sauce that you like. You can even probably go as far as not adding the sauce to the crock pot, just seasoning your chicken and then, you know, adding your sauce once it's done and then putting it in the broiler. I'm gonna try that again and then try it with the garlic and Parmesan and maybe some other kind of sauces as well. But surprised to see that, you know, the chicken wasn't falling off the bone or anything like that, because I was wondering about that. But as you can see, the wings are still intact and they're nice and juicy and tender. So yeah, you guys, let me know if you're gonna try this or if you've already tried, you know, cooking wings in the crock pot. And yeah, let me know what your thoughts are. But I do want to thank you all for joining me for Crocktober. Definitely give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed all of my crockpot videos, and if you want to see more of this next year, if you want me to come back and do Crocktober next year, let me know in the comments. And also give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more cooking videos and other videos from me. And as always, I'm sending love, peace, and light. I hope y'all have a blessed Sunday. Again, thanks so much for joining me on this ride of Crocktober. And I'll see y'all in my next video, guys. Bye.